How many students? I don't remember. Okay, let me see if I am, okay. Hi, good morning to everyone. Today is April the 27th. We are gonna start a general review about what we have practiced for all these weeks and getting ready for an evaluation for the next one, okay? Mm-hmm. First of all, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, here we are. Right there, you can see it. We are gonna have, as I told you, a general review. First of all, wait. First of all, we are going to see this first PPT. A conditional sentence. What is a conditional sentence? You need to have an if clause and then you need to have the main clause. It is very important for you to remember that an if clause is a condition clause, okay? And then after the if clause, we are gonna have a result, and that is the main clause. No matter if you change positions, it doesn't matter, okay? You can have the main clause at first, as you can see here. You can have the main clause first, and then you can have the if clause. So always remember, I want you to remember that an if clause is a condition clause, and the main clause is the result of that condition. Okay, right here in this one, I want you to remember that we can have real and unreal conditions. So the zero conditional, pay attention please. The zero conditional and the first conditional are real. Okay, let's read the example here. Zero conditional used for present, okay? Real factual situations. So both clauses are gonna be in present. For example, if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. That is a real situation. That is a real condition. Wait, I'm admitting a student. Okay, continue. Then we have the first conditional, okay? The first conditional is still a real situation, a factual situation. But the rule is different from the zero. Right here we have the if clause is gonna be in present, and the result or the main clause is gonna be in future, okay? Like the example we have here. If I drink coffee tonight, I won't sleep well. Those two are gonna be real, zero and first conditional, okay? Good. Now, we are going to unreal conditions. Now, we are going to unreal conditions. Second conditional and third conditional. In the second conditional, we have imaginary situations, things that never happened, okay? And what is the rule? What is the rule? You need to have the verb in past, the clause with if. You need to have the verb in past, and the other one, the main clause, is gonna be with would, and then the verb in basic form. Okay, if I drank coffee tonight, I wouldn't sleep well. So, but my intentions are not like having a cup of coffee, you know? So that's the point. So, and the third conditional is also an imaginary situation. So, and the rule, if I had drunk coffee last night, that is a past perfect. If I had drunk coffee last night, I wouldn't have slept well. We are gonna have a would plus a present perfect. Have plus the verb in past participle. So what is the most important thing here, guys? The most important thing here is to remember that 0 and first are real and second and third are unreal. And you need to memorize the rule, okay? The structure in 0 conditional, present, present. The structure in first conditional, present, future. The structure in the second conditional is gonna be past, plus would, and a verb in basic form. And the third conditional is gonna be past perfect, would, plus a present perfect, okay? That's the rule. You have questions about this? Do you have questions? You can write it or you can turn on your microphones and answer to me. I have no problem about it. If you have questions, I want you to ask. This is the time. No teacher? Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. So I know for you, I know that this is very simple for you, okay? But rules are rules and I need to follow them. Okay, an advice. I want you to practice mixed conditionals. Remember that for the next term, you're gonna have mixed conditionals 1 and mixed conditionals 2. So I know that this for you is very simple, but I want you to focus. I want you to focus on mixed conditionals, okay? Good. Okay, let's continue with the other one. Let's look at the other PPT. Okay. I have it. This is a mixed conditional, but this is not gonna be on the exam. But this is what I want you to study, okay? This is what I want you to study, okay? You're gonna have a review. Okay, we have an exercise here. What will you do if you the lottery? What would you do if you, right there we have the choices. Right there we have the options, okay? What will you do if you, okay, when you look at the question, you need to recognize, you need to recognize, that is good. I'm gonna give you positive points, Andrea and Bruno, okay. Annelie, let me write it. Let me start working on this. Remember that you need to participate, positive. And I'm gonna give you your positive points and discounts. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay. Okay, good. That is, as we can see, that is, Jesus Christ, wait a minute. Okay, right there. What will you do if you win the lottery? It is a first conditional. The second one, if I, the Queen of England, I would say hello. Let me see if I have chats. I have Nicole. Renee already have two. Adriano, you're gonna have a positive. Okay. Good. Yes, Sebastian, I have it. I already have it here. Yes. Okay. Now let's look at it. Let's look at this one right here, right there. If I met the Queen of England, I would say hello. Yes. You water if you mix hydrogen and oxygen. What can you get if you mix hydrogen and oxygen? What can we get? Let's look at it. You get, this one is a zero conditional. That one is a zero conditional. Number 4, I would, let me look at my chat to see if I have someone else. Get, okay, Anneli, Renee, Adriano, you already have your positive points, that's good. What about number 4? What about number 4? I would a photo if I had brought my camera with me. Two more. Carlos, okay, Carlos. Carlos, Rodrigo, Carlos, let me write down your names. Bruno, okay. Today you are having your positive points, okay. Nicole, so definitely our answer is gonna be have taken. I would have taken a photo if I had brought my camera with me. Remember that you also have to recognize the conditionals. Maybe in your evaluation, you can have like, let me say, the first one, and then at the side, you have to write down which conditional is that one, okay? For example, first conditional, number 1, first conditional, number 2, we have second conditional, number 3, zero conditional, number 4, we are gonna have third conditional, and so on. Okay. What would you do if you, let's look at the options. What would you do if you, what would you do if you, let me check my chat. Are you sure, Isabella? Rodrigo? No. Jimena, yes, Jimena. Jimena got this positive point. Yes, remember that it is a second conditional. It is a second conditional, and sorry. And right here we have saw. What would you do if you saw a ghost? Would you have attended university if you had the money? Which is the conditional? Number 6, the question in the chat. Which is the conditional in number 6? Which conditional is it? Which conditional is it? No. Number 6? No. Number 6 is not 2. Okay, Leonardo, you're gonna have your positive. Okay. Leonardo, 3. Yes. Third conditional. There we are. Good. Now, 7. She'll miss the bus if she'll miss the bus if she, I need the conditional and I need the answer. Let me see this one. Andrea, wait a minute, because we have 2 Andreas. Yes. Andrea. That's the one. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Doesn't leave. She'll miss the bus if she doesn't leave soon. And the conditional is first. First. Let me read this. What about number 8? First conditional. What number, Rodrigo? Okay, the other one. Okay. 7 doesn't leave. 8, snakes bite if they, this one is very simple. This one is a 0 conditional. If they are. Snakes bite if they are scared. So I think it's good. This is our general review, and I think it's very good. This is an exercise that I had for my mixed conditionals. We are not gonna have it. We are not gonna have it today, but I want you to start working on this. I want you to start working on this. Up to the moment, concentrate 0 first, second, and third, but you are gonna have these too, okay? Let's, okay. Now, I think we have enough time. What time is it? Let me look at it. Yes, we have enough time. Let's watch this video. And please don't forget to continue practicing for your evaluation. Remember that we are gonna have only 0 first, second, and third, okay? You have questions before watching the video? Let me see if you have questions. You want to say something? And 0, Isabela Valdeón. Okay. Flavia. Flavia. Okay. Oh, I got a pain here. No questions? I need to know if you have. Okay, you have no questions about it? Everything is clear for your evaluation next week? Something to say? Okay, that's good, Flavia. Thank you. Nothing to say? Don't forget, please, to something that I've been telling you. I want you to write, I want you to get your English notebooks. Remember, as I told you, the first day we look at each other, and I want you to print or copy the exercises. Today, I want you to copy in your notebooks the date, April the 27th, and I want you to write down general review, because I am going to check out my notebook. And I know we are gonna see each other soon. So I don't want my notebook empty. I need to look at my notebook, and I want you to have all the classes written. You know what I mean? That's the only thing I'm asking. That's the only thing I need to check out, my notebook. As I told you, the first day we see each other. Yes, okay? So start writing in your notebooks, print your exercises, and paste them in your notebooks. Is that okay? So please don't forget the notebooks. Don't forget the notebooks. Okay? So, no questions. Now we are going to watch the video. And that's the only thing for today, okay? Let's get ready. Oh, do you have something else to say? No, no. But we are gonna give you, I'm gonna link this for you. Okay, there we are. Let's have it. Let's look at it. What's going on with this? You're gonna have this, as I told you, in your intranet. Let's see what's happening here. It doesn't wanna open, but let's see. I think it's gonna open. Let's wait a little bit. Wait. Let me see. Ahí podemos ver, chicos, el primer condicional. Ve cómo se puede invertir. Pay attention, please. Watching the video. Ok, chicos, up to the moment, allí ya hemos podido ver, ahí está, escuchamos nuestro video y todavía no vamos a incursionar con lo que es, lo que son los mixed conditionals. Entonces, ha terminado nuestra reunión, chicos, nos vamos a despedir. Why don't we copy the link and then paste it in YouTube? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. That is Flavia. Okay, that's good. So we say goodbye. We say goodbye and don't forget to practice. Okay? Don't forget to practice and look for some information in your internet. And if you have a question, please text me. Is that okay? See you. See you. Thank you so much for being here. Okay? And bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.